Hello, everybody. This is the RV Hunter coming in with a news update after an impeachment, COVID-19. Carol Baskin, murder hornets, and now the riots. Let's spread some positive news. Let's head on inside.
And that's right, good news we do have. Today we are going to take a tour on the 2021 Cedar Creek Poppin' Champagne 38 EFK, and this thing is a doozy. Let's head right up to the kitchen and check out those countertops. Ooh-wee, that's sweet. You've got everything a normal camper has, except better because you're obviously loaded if you're buying this thing. Check out that backsplash. That cost you a pretty penny, but you don't care because you can't afford it. Microwave, island kitchen, and affinity light, and it goes on for affinity. That's nice. Now check out this living room. It's got plenty of places for people to sit. You can play cards, watch movies, drink gin and juice, pop bottles, do whatever you want. And right over here, you can even recline. It's got built-in coasters because that's the kind of thing you deserve for putting you in a position in life to buy this bad boy. A fireplace and a TV, but the news is getting stale out here, so let's go to somewhere else. Let's check out the bathroom. And right here we have the bathroom. We have a shower where you can wash your dad bod with rainwater. A nice sink to your right. Check out that case for my gimbal there. I'm putting in work. A toilet. And here you have a bedroom for all you sleepy Joes catching those Z's. Cabinetry everywhere for plenty of storage. You got a box on the right. I don't know what that is, but your salesman Hunter probably will. A TV, and check out this here to the right. You can put in a washer dryer, hang your clothes, put the bad children in, whatever you got to do. It's fan-flippin-tastic. Cedar Creek Poppin' Bottles Champagne. Let's head outside to our sportscaster after taking another quick peek. Hi. Thanks, Hunter. This is Hunter. Thanks for passing me the mic. Sports are not on, so we are resorting to this. Look at that full body paint. That is a slam dunk touchdown, 6 points in the net, 3-point banger. Popping bottles in the Cedar Creek Champagne. It's like winning a championship. I don't have much else out to say, and my throat's kind of hurting, so I'm getting the heck out of Dodge, baby. We'll catch you next time.